Hey guys, it's the girl NIQUE. Guys, today is Saturday. To be honest, I lost count of the days because I've had a rough couple of weeks. But I'm here washing up some. You guys can't see me. Hold on. There we go. I'm here washing up some dishes with some bleach water and stuff. Because I turned on the dishwasher and they didn't wash properly. And I gotta make sure everything is clean and sanitized. So I'm washing them with some bleach water. So don't mind the wetness on my dress. There's the water wet me up. Them always tell me I'm a junking man because me wet up my clothes. Let me wash dishes. But yeah, guys, I'm here feeling good. As you guys can see, your girl did her hair. I did my makeup. I'm feeling so good. Back to normal. Feeling like myself. I'm not talking about with the makeup or anything. I'm just saying overall, I'm feeling good. And yeah, I'll be in the room doing some editing. He has some videos that he's supposed to been put out and edit and stuff, but because we were sick, we were kind of on shutdown mode for a little bit. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling good, feeling great. Slowly but surely getting back to normal. I want to go get retested Monday. Today's Saturday. I want to go get retested on Monday just to make sure that this nasty virus is out of my system. So I want to do that and just kind of just taking it easy. I just kind of really wanted to do my hair and stuff because, man, you guys don't realize how much your hair, like getting your hair done and just taking care of yourself and grooming yourself, how much of a difference it can make, you know, and how much of a difference it can make.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, how much I feel different. And it just makes me feel really good about myself and makes me feel happy. I was like, when I was doing my makeup, I was like, dang, I wonder if I still know how to, did I lose my touch? Or I didn't lose it. Yeah, because I haven't done makeup in over 3 weeks. So I'm like, dang, did I lose my touch? But I didn't lose my touch, y'all. I still got it. Your girl still got it. But yeah, Yuri's in the room. He's chilling. Like I said, RASHKAMAR, he's editing some videos right now while I wash these dishes and stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling good. Feeling great. Yeah. Slowly getting back. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to eat for dinner tonight. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to cook or if I'm just going to grab something. More than likely, I'm going to grab something because I'm not in the mood to cook right now. It was stuck in the thing. But yeah, guys, I want to thank everybody that prayed for us, everybody that left your warm thoughts and, you know, well wishes and everything for us in the comments on the previous videos. We just want to say thank you guys so much. We are doing better. I'm not even gonna lie, like without you guys, I don't know. I love you guys so much. Like, you guys are so supportive. Those comments in the comment section, I'm just reading the comments and I'm like, wow, you know, people really love us. People really care about us. I love you guys too. I care about y'all. I'm so happy that I'm feeling better so I can get back to doing videos for you guys. And yeah, I just got the water running. Yes, I can get back to doing videos for you guys and stuff like that. I know I've been letting y'all down, not doing no videos, but you know, it's life. You know, life got the best of us. And just had to take a break for a while, you know. But yeah, guys, we just here. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I'm doing great. Thank you guys so much for your support, your wishes, and checking in and you know, everything, guys. I really, really appreciate you guys taking the time out to even watch our videos. And, you know, leaving your comments, giving a thumbs up. Sade, Flawless, big up yourself. I saw you subscribe, girl. And you also shared my videos. Thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate it. I love when other women stick out and help other women, and we support each other. I love that. I love to see that. Another beautiful woman supporting another woman, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. You know, she don't know me from nowhere, but I'm one of her supporters. I always watch her. You know, I actually found out about her from Chrissy. Watch Chrissy work, the Carter family. And I started watching her. I really like her vibe and everything. She's really cool. I love the way she talks. I'm always laughing when I watch her videos and stuff. But yeah, you know, you guys go check her out. Sade Flawless. I'll link her channel or her Instagram or something in this video, so you guys can go check her out. You know, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. You know, you gotta support each other, and we're sisters. You know what I'm saying? We're not real by blood, but you know, we gotta support our black females. You know what I mean? We all we got. So we don't support each other, then what's gonna happen? But yeah, guys, I just want to thank everybody that's been reaching out and everybody that's been there for us through this journey. You guys stay tuned. We got a video on that coming. And yeah, guys. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys kept us afloat. It was really hard to do those videos. Trust me, it was so hard to pick up the camera, but we did it for you guys, so you guys can get a inside look. I still got soap on my hand. You guys can get an inside look on what was going on with us while we were sick and had COVID. So yeah, if you guys would like for me to do a video, like a detailed video on what I did, what I used and stuff like that, you guys just comment down below and let me know if you guys would like that, and I can do that video for you guys. But yeah, until the next video, you guys, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for all the people that's been here from day one. Thank you to the new subscribers that just subscribed. I've seen a few subscribers, some new people. So welcome to Life with Neat, guys. And yeah, you guys just do what y'all always do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share if you care. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Guys, hubby's supposed to be editing, and I'm going to catch him. I don't think he's editing. I think he's in the bed. Let's go see if we can find what he's doing. Let's go see if we can catch him. Hey, where are you?
Watch movie.
Watch movie. I tell people them say, oh, you're in your edit?
Me edit man, it a thing.
It a render?
Oh. So that's why I watch.
So my baby, I'm relax, everybody. Relax in a bed and all these things. I watch movie without me. Who tells you can't watch movie without me?
You know watch a movie? A gunman thing this.
So why I can never find one when I watch?
That's a later. You know watch gunman thing. You know what I mean?
You don't love me.
Yeah.
You don't love me.
Yeah, man, you know watch bad man thing, man. Them thing a gunman thing. You see me I say?
Oh, okay.
What is? You know really have. You like what them call it? Drama and them something then. All them something then. Me like gunman thing. And comedy, but me can't find a good comedy. I will like comedy when they pan watch out already.
Okay, guys, so I'm done doing editing and
no, me not done.
You not done?
Me not done, man. I drop in some clip and it's like them a render can me put. You not done, man. You not done. Me about 2 more.
A long time we not do that now.
Or 3 more rendering for good show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so you just go and relax.
Yeah, and I watch bad man thing. You see that?
Bad man thing, and look what them a do.
So gunman.
No, which part where gun then there?
Gunman get girl.
Whoa.
Yeah. Man get gal.
You hear that? God man get gal. Yes, I'm gonna just go on there and chill with my baby a little bit. Go and put two video together for now and so edit and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Guys, I'm on the road. I start feel better. Something know for up now. Yeah, girl, the far road. So yeah, but me. I just went and got food. Stopped at the grocery store. I get a whole of chicken for cook some food tomorrow. Cause I'm not buying no food on the road. I've been eating food on the road for the past 2 weeks, and I mean, I cook between, every now and then between that, but the food per road, I kill my pocket, guys. So I'm heading home. See if y'all can see me better. I don't think it really make a difference, but anyway, I'm heading home. I just stopped at Walmart, and then I stopped by my cousin's house to drop off some stuff for Devi. She wanted a couple snacks and stuff from the supermarket, so I went and picked that up for her. And yeah, guys, I was gonna record everything, but I was on the phone talking the whole time, so I didn't get to record it. But it's just basically going to go pick up food and pick up a couple things from the grocery store. That's really about it. And now I'm heading home to go shower. As soon as I get home, I'm heading straight in the shower, take off these clothes, and I'm going in the shower, and I'm gonna take a shower. Me and hubby's supposed to do a video tonight. Let me see how he feels about that once I get home, because it is kind of late. It's like 8 o'clock now. It's not really that late, but this is our wind down time where we take our showers and then we relax and watch movies and stuff. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted if we end up doing the video, or I'll close out the vlog by the end of tonight or so. But yeah, guys, it's just keeping you guys updated on what I've been doing all day. I got up this morning, did my hair. Y'all look like somebody. Finally. Because, boy, I was feeling like a bum. So that's really about it. I'm going to go in and shower now, and I'm going to go eat, and that's it. I'll see what else I get into for the night, but if not, then you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. And y'all, when the sister girl wear all our masks, so I'm not taking no chances with this Delta foolishness that them up going around. I'm not taking no chance. I need to stay away from them virus then. I can't manage them. Them too much from my body. But yeah, guys, just stay tuned. Yeah.